And it's a beautiful break from the gate coming from Rendezvous down on the inside, moving up from the outside to a Gongadin to grab the lead. Gongadin followed by Rendezvous running in third, main course sunspots. Nostradamus is a very close fourth, then comes Heaven Strikes. Iron Curtain is in sixth position, followed over by number 8, Mika's Jewel. Running on the outside, Cavite Royale, a long way back to Peregrino. Going back to the leader after they pass the 1.5 mile pole, we have Gongadin by some 3 lengths, followed still by Rendezvous in second. Heaven Strikes now moving up to take third. Running by the rail now is Iron Curtain alongside is Nostradamus, reaching the last 500. It is still Gongadin by some 2 lengths. Rendezvous is running by the rail. Nostradamus in third. Iron Curtain down in fourth. Heaven Strikes as they reach the last bend from Gongadin by 2 lengths, followed now by Iron Curtain. Nostradamus running outside. Gongadin, Iron Curtain, Nostradamus, Cavite Royale, and down the stretch they come. It's now Iron Curtain down on the inside. Gongadin, Nostradamus, Cavite Royale, down to the finish. Iron Curtain, Gongadin, Cavite Royale, Nostradamus, then comes main course sunspots, Peregrino, Mika's Jewel.
Okay, number 9.